Mic check, mic check, mic check. She was sitting all alone over on the tailgate, tan legs swinging by a Georgia plate. I was looking for her boyfriend, thinking no way, she ain't got one. Soon as I sat down, I was falling in love, trying to pour a little sugar in her Dixie cup, talking over the speakers in the back of that truck. She jumped up and cut me off. She was like, oh my God, this is my song. I've been listening to the radio all night long, sitting around waiting for it to come on, and here it is. She was like, come here boy, I wanna dance. For I said a word, she was taking my hand, spinning me around till it faded out, and she gave me a kiss, and she said, play it again, play it again, play it again. And I said, play it again, play it again, play it again. I'd have gave that DJ my last dime if he would have played it just one more time. But a little while later we were sitting in the driving my truck. Before I walked her to the door, I was scanning like a fool, AM, FM, XM too. But I stopped real quick when I heard that groove. Man, you should have seen her light up. She was like, oh my God, this is my song. We've been listening to the radio all night long. I can't believe that it came back on, but here it is. She was like, come here boy, I wanna dance. For I said a word, she was taking my hand, spinning in the headlights. She gave me a good night kiss, and I said, play it again, play it again, play it again. And she said, play it again, play it again, play it again. The next Friday night, we were sitting out under the stars. You should have seen her smile when I broke out my guitar. She was like, oh my God, this is my song. I've been listening to the radio all night long, sitting around waiting for it to come on, and here it is. She was like, come here boy, I wanna dance. For I said a word, she was taking my hand, spinning in the headlights. She gave me a good night kiss.
Oh, Jimmy's breaking out. So I guess once you clear this area, we can try to retest some of these highs here. Clip's just taken from the high here to the low here. RSI is broken the 50 line, and MACD's crossing, so it's looking good so far. Whales are kind of sleeping right now. The only orders that came through were right after market open.
Last night we let the liquor talk. I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met, but baby, baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last night. I kissed your lips, make you grip the sheets with your fingertips. Last bottle of Jack, we split a fifth. Just talking about life, going sip for sip.
Came down, tested this 236, so should expect a push up to the 382.5 again. But I would expect some resistance here.
Something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last night. No way it was our last night. No way it was the last night that we break up. I see your taillights in the dust. You call your mama, I call your bluff. In the middle of the night, pull it right back up. Yeah, my friends say let her go. Your friends say what the hell, I wouldn't trade your kind of love for nothing else. Oh baby, last night we let the liquor talk. I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met, but baby, baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way, it was our last night. We said we'd had enough. I can't remember everything we said, but we said too much. I know you packed your shit and slammed the door right before you.
All right, well, here's the push through that we're gonna see.
Something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way, it was our last night.
It's a little bit of a slow day today. Let's see.
Was our last night. I know you said this time you really weren't coming back again, but baby, baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way, it was our last night. No way, it was our last night. Don't know where you at, don't know where you been, don't know nothing about that boy you're into. Don't feel bad for you, but I feel bad.
Spy running into some resistance here. Let's see if we can push through. Help Jimmy.
Probably tell him that I ain't been on your mind. I ain't nothing but a long gone thing. You can cuss my name, but baby, don't you lie. When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me? When you're riding where he's driving, are you missing my street? Every time you close your eyes, tell me who do you see? When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me? Coming over tonight, wish that truck in your drive was mine, just like you know it's supposed to be. When you're up in his bed, am I up in your head, making you crazy? Tell me, baby, are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about? Are you thinking about? When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me? Do you
Oh.
hide your phone? Did you change my name?
Bearish premiums are coming down. Well, we'll see if the Bulls can regain control.
Do you tell him you can't? Then go out of your way to be somewhere, any damn where I ain't. When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me? When you're riding where he's driving, are you missing my street? Every time you close your eyes, tell me who do you see? When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me? Coming over tonight.
Expected move 13.21%. I mean, let's say this is true, right? So go here. 13%, right?
Are you thinking about? Are you thinking about? When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me? Don't know where
All right.
you at,
Take a current price.
know where you ought to be. When you're tasting what he's drinking,
Expected move somewhere close to 27 or lower to somewhere here, 20.
who do you see? When you're tasting what he's drinking, are you thinking about me? Coming over tonight, wish that truck in your drive was mine, just like you know it's supposed to be. When you're up in his bed, am I up in your head, making you crazy? Tell me, baby, are you thinking about me? Yeah, are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me?
Some interesting orders here.
Almost said what's on my mind, but I didn't. Just the other day, I wrote down all the things I'd say, but I couldn't. I just couldn't. Baby, I know that you've been wondering
Expecting an arcade tweet before end of day. It's possible. I mean, what if he posts his position? Shit, that would be crazy. And how are those dark pools? Yeah, let's take a look. Dark pool. New site. Let's see. All right, let's see. Wow, it's absolutely insane. 5,000 block right here at 10:30. Oh, that's 15 minutes ago. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, we'll keep this open. It's true, yeah. Only time we'll find out. Yeah, time will definitely tell. I mean, the chart right now, if you take your fib high here to the fib low, and I mean, it has been struggling to break this 236, so it should run, like, if there's something, right? Like, I would expect at least 30. Yeah, right now the Bears are still in control. How's our SPY doing? No, SPY got a little bit above that golden pocket. Should test it. Yeah, all Jimmy needs to do is just hold this area. And when you can hold this area, you can slowly make your way up. But right now it's struggling. What do I think about the new class that's all over Twitter? The new, I don't know. I'm conflicted. I think I've seen it. I've seen it before. There's evidence that it's been around for a while. I think it's just hype. Another 5,000 block coming in. The dark pool. Alright, let's see. Still nothing. Still no big orders yet. Let's filter it by at least like 50k. mean, there was this one. I already saw this one earlier.
I've been selling my soul, working all day.
We'll just keep it at 70K.
Time hours, bullshit pay, so I can sit out here and waste my life away. Drag back home and drown my troubles away. It's a damn shame what the world's gotten to.
Once bulls regain control here, like, you'll see some price action. Just right now, bears are in control and it's just not looking good. So we did hit like our fib time zone here. So this is all kind of like hocus pocus, but for sometimes it does work, right? Sometimes it does work. You take your fib low to your fib high, and basically just shows you like inflection points, like where a new trend will begin or end. So we've hit one on Monday, yesterday. Or no, not yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. I'm losing it. It's Tuesday today. But I would expect, like, if you make a push up, you hold this 236, you push up higher, right? I mean, this is gonna be a bitch to just break through. Like, I would say this is your next, like, this is your target here. Don't even think about this, like, just shoot for the moon. And then just this line here to 60, the high. So we will see. I mean, this fib does extend all the way to 144. Just imagine that, right?
Selling my soul, working all day,
23.97. Well, still above that DFE cost basis. Marked it on the chart right there for you guys. So what does concern me is there is a gap down here to fill. So if you go, say, like to the hour, so they're already expecting, I mean, they're expecting revenue to be shit, like earning EPS to be shit as well. So, like, this shit drops. Boom. That's a 15% downside. If you take your fib to your low to your high, and you get your golden pocket, this is a really, like, you could already see, this is a nice buying opportunity right here. Not financial advice, by the way. So you got your bounce 1, bounce 2, then bounce 3 if it does come down, like, you know, it's just something to think about. All right, I'm just waiting for price now just to get back above Metric Pro Plus, so we'll see what happens.
up your sticks and your stones and pretend I'm a shelter for heartaches that don't have a home. Choose the words that cut like
Oh shit, Jimmy.
all that I'll say is far away. Take your best shot, show me what you got, honey. I'm not afraid. Way back and take aim and fire away. Well, I wish I could say
If you are playing gaps on the 1 minute, I mean, you got slow one here, got another one over here, and another one over here. So 2485. That's a pretty high. That's up there. What is that? That's 4%. Jesus.
your love might be my damnation, but I'll cry to my grave.
Nice small bounce right here. Let's see.
Take your best shot, show me what you got, honey. I'm not afraid. Way back and take aim and fire away.
That's a nice bounce off the golden pocket there in the 1 minute. So I'm looking for Jimmy to at least break this right here. So just get above this yellow line, test this purple line, and then move higher. So we'll see.
Way back and take aim and fire away.
Alright, so now we're at the 236 again. Okay, and try to hold this line, and then you can test 2416. How are the rest of our friends doing? Let's duplicate the tabs. Let's go. See what cost is up to. Yikes. Nope. Just testing these lows again. So you can see if once you get above this purple line here, Metric Pro, like you can, or even this yellow line, you can take a call. Not financial advice, but this was 42%. So if you put in $1,000, you would have gotten $425 back.
We pray for rain and thank him when it's falling, 'cause it brings a grain and a little bit of money. We put it back in a plate. I guess that's why they call
Yeah, right now it's not looking too bright for costs. What about the AMC bulls out there? Yeah. Oh.
back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a fin-found Dixie whistle.
It's like if you just draw straight lines, AMC literally hasn't done anything. Like,
But he didn't stick around. This is God's country. We turn the dirt and work until the week's done. We
Tesla still has to fill this gap. It's just gotta break through 230. As you can see, got your resistance here. I mean, tried there again. It's struggling. Nvidia catching a bounce here. That's nice. Trying to reclaim that 50 line. MACD getting back above the 0 line, which is really bullish from below. Yeah, Nvidia's looking not bad. Yep. Oh my god, when are the bulls coming back below? Oh my god, look at this guy. Someone just bought. What the heck? I don't know. Did they sell this? Let me see. Yeah, okay. No, whatever. Oh. Yep, this is sold. Dark pool, let's see what we're at. Nothing yet. No big orders on GME yet. Oh my gosh. Guy just sleeping. Oh, Jimmy boy, come on. Oh yeah, SPY, look at that. So look at this, right? You break above the golden pocket, retest it as support. So turn resistance into support and break through. So now I'll be trying to look to break this line right here. 547. If you look, just draw a straight line here. This is prior, right? There's resistance. This is also resistance, and now hopefully resistance again? Question mark. So we'll see. If it does break through, you're gonna break this, right? 548. Head to 549, maybe 551. But on the RSI, at least on the 1 minute, SPY struggling to maintain the bull zone. No, Jimmy. Well, we'll see. Yep.
Just talk away, 'cause you'll never know how bad you wanna, till you can't someday. Don't wait on tomorrow, 'cause tomorrow may not show. Say your sorries, your I love yous, 'cause man, you never know. If you got a chance, take it while you got a chance. If you got a dream, chase it, 'cause a dream won't chase you back. If you're gonna love somebody, hold them as long and as strong and as close as you can, till you can. Yeah, if you got a chance, take it while you got a chance. If you got a dream, chase it, 'cause a dream won't chase you back. If you're gonna love somebody,
Wow, watching this is like watching paint dry. This is kind of crazy.
So make them drink strong, 'cause brother, she's gone. And if I'm ever gonna move on, I'ma need some whiskey glasses, 'cause I don't wanna see the truth. She's probably making out on the couch right now with someone new. Yeah, I'ma need some whiskey glasses.
Okay.
If I'm gonna make it through, if I'ma be single, I'ma need a double shot of that heartbreak proof, and see the world through whiskey glasses. See the world through whiskey glasses. Last call,
All right, Nvidia looking to break out here.
my last call.
So this is like a move. That's a almost 6% move. That's a fat move.
Mr. Bartender, hit me again. Don't wanna think about her, or wear a ring without her. Don't wanna hit the karaoke bar, can't sing without her. So make them drink strong, 'cause brother, she's gone. And if I'm ever gonna move on, I'ma need some whiskey glasses, 'cause I don't wanna see the truth. She's probably making out on the couch right now with someone new. Yeah, I'ma need some whiskey glasses, if I'm gonna make it through. If I'ma be single, I'ma need a double shot of that heartbreak proof, and see the world through whiskey glasses. Oh, see the world through whiskey glasses.
That's hilarious. This is funny, man. Oh my god, that's funny.
Fill 'em up, fill 'em up, fill 'em up, fill 'em up. 'Cause if she ain't ever coming back,
That's a chunky cat.
knock 'em up, knock 'em back, knock 'em back, knock 'em back, knock 'em back. Fill 'em up, fill 'em up, fill 'em up, fill 'em up. 'Cause if she ain't ever coming back, I'ma need some whiskey glasses, 'cause I don't wanna see the truth. She's probably making out on the couch right now with someone new. Yeah, I'ma need some whiskey glasses, if I'm gonna make it through. If I'ma be single, I'ma need a double shot of that heartbreak proof, and see the world through whiskey glasses.
I swear, some of these people seem like they're AI. It's actually crazy. All right, there we go. Broken above Metric Pro. Now we're just gonna test this purple line, and hopefully, if we break above, then you know, we gotta look at testing these numbers right here. Oh yeah, Nvidia's kind of looking good there.
Got a girl from the south side, got braids in her hair. First time I seen her walk by, man, I about fell up out my chair. Had to get her number, it took me like 6 weeks. Now me and her go way back, like Cadillac seats. Body like a back road, driving with my eyes closed. I know every curve like the back of my hand. Doing 15 and 30, I ain't in no hurry. I'ma take it slow, just as fast as I can. The way she fitting in blue jeans, she don't need no belt. But I can turn them inside out, I don't need no help. Got hips like
All right, Bitcoin. Let's take a look.
so thick and so sweet. There ain't no curves like
Okay.
on them downtown streets.
I mean, it's just gonna hit the top of the bull zone right there. Like, it seems like Bitcoin is somewhat bullish.
15 and 30, I ain't in no hurry. I'ma take it slow, just
So these fibs are macro fibs. I mean, you tried to retest this as support, and you did. Now you're gonna try to test this, and if you can break this, you want to hold this as your new support line before making your move up to 60 and 63, where you'll probably see some resistance here. Because before, it was support, right? Broke below, and now it is resistance, so we'll see.
Friday after 5, I got here just in time. Went ahead and with a line before I went and lost my mind. And I ain't been here long, but the bobbers in the pond going up, down, up, down, up, down. Tonight we're gonna raise a whole lot more than Cain, 'cause there's money in the bank and tomorrow's Saturday. So if they pass that fifth, the
Bulls are struggling.
way I turn it up, down, up.
Bulls are struggling.
We're just holding it down here in BFE, still rolling around with a bar.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. That's hilarious. That is funny. YouTube just can't give me a break. That's funny. That's fine. Can't have fun. No fun, tube. Really? Says I can play music. It's just I gotta allow it somehow. I gotta allow the channel. I don't see it. Oh my god. Okay, it's fine. Oh my, I'm losing it. It's all good, guys. We're just not gonna have any music right now. That's okay. It's all good. Add channels to your allow list. You can add one or more channels. Okay, how do I do that? Sign in here. Yep. Left menu, select allow list. Oh my god. Okay, I'm literally stupid. I don't know where the allow list is, even though there's like there's Alright, we're just gonna move on with no music. It's all good though. Wow, these premiums, man. It's just not helping. I mean, on the other hand, right, I'd be really concerned if it was like, you know, like for example, like Jimmy was all the way. If there's like a huge launch, like, you know, we're up like 20% on day and it's like, then it's like earnings, you know, like right now it's just neutral. Everyone's kind of cautious right now. So we'll see. I'm still struggling to break that purple line. So we'll see. Once it breaks it, then we can see some upside. Ugh. Yeah, still no big orders coming through. You never know. If it does flow through, you know, you'll be seeing it here. Another size 24 is coming through. 4,700, close to 5K in the dark pool. Yeah, I mean, someone's got to check on this guy. This guy was hyping up big. Then they declared bankruptcy, so well, it is what it is for him. It is what it is. Oh yeah, the presidential debate tonight. That's gonna be nuts. Still nothing too crazy, so Bulls are not in control at all. Yep, rejected Metric Pro. Well, it's just gonna have to find its own way back up. Bearish cross on the MACD. Not really what you want to see, but that's alright. Oh shit, SPY. SPY falling through here, so continues to fall. I would expect a test of this, right? Test Metric Pro. But yeah, look, like if you got in over here, that is a, you know, 0.5% move up. That's pretty massive. Okay. No, that's just the other page I was looking at. Where are the bulls? Oh, all right. Well, there's some action now. So we see Jimmy breaking up above Metric Pro here. So there is a small gap that they did leave, like right here, but that's okay. If it does push up, I would expect test to 24. But it does need to make this as a base. All right, let's check whale watch. Okay, it's moving. All right, we back. Wow. Okay. That's bearish, but let's see what's going on here. Yep, bear's still maintaining it. So this is the whale watch I was talking about earlier. Right now, I mean, someone definitely profited here and just sold off, right? But all these are still slowly increasing, so which is good to see. So at 23s, we're kind of neutral and bounced off. Yeah, what you don't want to see with these ones are the lines crossing below the white lines. So that indicates like a bear. It's basically bearish or someone exiting. So it's like right here. Wow, it's kind of crazy. Another small bounce close to near the golden pocket. Okay. So let's refresh this. I'm gonna watch this like a hawk today. There's just nothing. There's just nothing. All right. Well, that's a nice bounce right there. $90 MACD kind of losing some steam. It's nearing a bearish cross. Yep, SPY. Wow, SPY breaking through. So breaking this was pretty bullish. And now if it can break this, prior highs, it can go to 549 and maybe 551. Wow, look at that sharp sell off. Oh my god. The bulls are not here. Where are the bulls? Someone made a joke on Twitter. The bulls are in the dark, in a dark pool. I mean, probably are. Okay, GME curling up again. Would like to see it break above this and then make another something over here. We'll see. Oh, still nothing. That's crazy. Well, it's not crazy. If they don't want to be too risky, just we'll wait till earnings. That's crazy. All right. Well, struggle to get above, and you know, this whole action just right here, just struggling to get above Metric Pro. So it is what it is. Interesting. All right, Jimmy's seeing some negative reaction here. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, Bears are fully in control. Like it just, oh my god, look at that. It's just straight line down. And looking at the flow alerts, let's see. That's not good. And well, obviously no one's buying this shit, so okay, dark pool. Oh, another sizable block just coming in. All right, well, that's not great. So where are we at on the 90-minute here? Okay, it's just right at the Metric Pro line. Okay, so if we continue to fall below Metric Pro here, I mean, your next line you'd be testing is over here at 22.59. Where is this selling coming from? Where is this selling coming from? That's what I want to find. Oh, okay, here we go. Let's check this right here. Yeah. It's not good. Oh, Wolf making a move. All right, well, let's see. Where are we at here? Wolf. Yep, Wolf breaking above Metric Pro here, so I would expect it to test the Golden Pocket again over here. And if it does break above, I expect it to at least make it a support. Wow. GME just testing this line here. Come on, Jimmy, you can do it. Another 5,000 block order coming through in the dark pool. Yep. Classic. All right, so we're seeing it. Okay, well, there's like a sharp drop off. So I mean, that's still not good enough. Bulls are not in control at all. The Bears are up by 1 million in premium. That's pretty crazy. All right, let's see where we're at. Oh, haha, it recovered slightly. We'll see. It has to hold here. All right, let's take a look at where we're at again. Let's go into 1 minute. All right, it's like a deep sell-off right here. Recovered. Get above Metric Pro, and you'll test the purple line here, and above that, which we haven't really broken above. I mean, this was sort of, it tried here. But the last time we broke above was over here at 10 o'clock in the morning, so a couple hours ago. Okay, wow.
We heard a bunch of honking going on next door, and looked over and I saw the smoke, so I thought we better get ready to evacuate, and got the fire hoses.
All right, wow. Okay, it's testing it now. So should get back up above here and test 2384. All right, check the dark pools again. Nope, just a couple minutes ago. Whoa, 10 million now in volume. That's crazy. 66,000. What? That's crazy. That's like the biggest biggest one so far. Holy. When was the last time that even happened? Not even all day today. That's nuts. Wow, that's actually incredible. That is incredible. That's nuts. But let's see. Wow, that's actually crazy. That's crazy. Post that. All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Let's take a look at the premiums. Nothing to be bullish about yet. I mean, look, the Bulls aren't even in control here. The Bears are like well in control here. Still by about 1 million. It's pretty nuts.
I got stabbed. Not once, not twice. A couple nice ones on the back. But 4 times. And the deepest one was about an inch and slid right down.
All right, let's just filter this through larger.
It was terrifying, but my adrenaline.
Nope, these are just the first two in the morning, so nothing new. Nothing new. Jimmy tried to break, couldn't do it. So if you're able to break this, then you're gonna test this area. But right now it's just not happening. It's not even power hour. It's like slump hour or something. Wolf trying to break through this. So Metric Pro has pretty much served as a resistance line. If you're able to break this, you can test the golden pocket there. But Nvidia's looking not bad. It's not terrible. Actually, let me get rid of this. There's no gap there anymore. It's gonna move this over here. Spy, trying to keep pushing. Keep pushing, Spy. Come on. Oh, that's not his tag. Warren Kitty. Hmm. So this is interesting. Wow. Come on, Jimmy. Push up a little bit higher. You can do it. Right now, everyone's kind of just cautious about earnings, right? So they're expected to bring in about $8.95 for revenue and an EPS of minus 0.085. Yep, Bears are still in control. $9K here. Yeah. Bears are still in control. No, it's not him. Oh, I see now. That's 5 every time. I don't know. We'll see. It's pretty cracked. Yeah, where are the Bulls? More GME drops, more I'm gonna load. Yeah, and that's what everyone's thinking. I mean, look, I said it on streamer. I'll say it again. So we'll go here, right? So pull up the 90 minutes time frame. There's a gap over here at 2017. This is what concerns me. So if that gap wasn't left there, you know, it is what it is. But there's a gap there. We can see it. As you can see, before there was a gap over here, and that got filled over here. So who knows? Maybe earnings, you know, it goes down if it covers that gap, right? Like extended hours, we go down here, and then in the morning we open here, and then bounce off. That's a possibility. If you take your fib for support, take the low, then go to the high here. You can see this area here where the golden pocket is the support. So support, support, support. And if it does fall down here, that will be testing it for the 4th time as support. But we'll see. I was saying earlier, yesterday GME did hit a fib time zone. So if you take your low to your high here, right, hit a fib time zone here. But we'll see. We'll see what this brings us. We don't know. Who knows? Maybe earnings is good. I have no idea. Maybe earnings is bad. Right now, just trading what's in front, and right now it's kind of breaking below Metric Pro, which is not really great. So the next 45 minutes, hopefully we can stay like above here. I mean, if not, then you'll just test this area down here. Let's see where the Bulls at. The Bulls have gone home. Or maybe they're just waiting. They're waiting. Yeah, like you said, Miles, you're waiting to buy the dip. So what are we thinking here, guys? GME earnings beat or no? Beat estimates. All right, that's it's positive thinking. Gotta manifest that for sure. I think it's probably gonna be the same, like lower SG&A. Revenue. It'd be interesting to see how they're bringing in more revenue this quarter, or if they have brought in any revenue. Because here, let's pull up the quarterly report from last one. One sec. All right, guys, we are back. Um, let's see here. Yeah, Bulls totally just left. They said, "Fuck it, we're not staying for this." Okay, let's see where we are on the dark pool. Again, no 100K yet. Swear to God, if I see right before market close, someone just hammering this, that's gonna be crazy. All right, so some people are thinking we beat estimates. Some people are thinking we aren't. So this was the last quarter here, right? So if we go down here and you look at SG&A, so this is the thing that they're really hammering. So this is like paying people, you know, cost of like holding items in warehouses. And just like other expenses and stuff. So this is what you're looking at. 295.1 mil. So a decrease from 345.7. And so this is going to be different now because they've added more, right? They diluted. So I was trying to scroll down to where so this here, cash and cash equivalents, right, was $1 billion, right? So now this is going to be 4 bill, 4B, big fat B. And let's see here. I mean, there's obviously basically no debt. Trying to find, okay, right here. This is the one. So if you look here, hardware, accessories, software, and collectibles. Collectibles were down last quarter by a lot. Software also down. And so that's just what happens, right? Like, and hardware and accessories down 200 mil. I mean, these two, right? Like, say like GTA 6 comes out, you know, there's a new PlayStation coming out in November. Like, if that happened last quarter, right, this would have been up. But that's a whole different story. So, well, it is what it is. We'll just have to find out in a bit. Flows are looking. There's a dark pool trade of 13K size right here, or 12K size. I misread that. Then 5K. Interesting. GME down 4%. So if we break this 0.5, I just expect GME to come down to 22. Yeah, let me see if we can change this to second. No, can't. But yeah, this was the first quarter release. I mean, see, net sales. This is concerning, right? But I would expect GME to at least continue to lower SG&A. Cash and cash equivalents is going to be up by 3 bill. And yeah, so we'll see. I don't expect them to have forward guidance or anything like that. They're not going to telegraph this to the competition, if you know what I mean. Oh, Spy catching a break here. Wolf breaking up. Yeah, the Bulls are just completely left. So hopefully, GameStop doesn't miss too much. Even if it's just neutral, like that's something. But if it's a huge loss, like net sales, right? Like that's games, man. Everyone's gotta make games. Everyone's gotta make some good games. Come on. Rockstar's gotta get their shit together. PlayStation, new PlayStation coming out. That's gonna be interesting. All right, I'm gonna find that earnings link on YouTube. We can tune into it. Yeah, I'll find it when they have it up. Hmm. All right. Well, let's keep looking. I really don't think there's anything. I mean, if something does happen, we're gonna catch it. But right here, oh my god, a deep, like, Bulls left. They're not in the building anymore. It's over. So we're just gonna have to wait till earnings. Some, what is this? This is funny. All right. I personally think GME is gonna miss. I think we go after an earnings dump. Yeah, I mean, look, you pull up the 90-minute chart, or at least the 1 hour chart, same thing. You go here. There's a gap. There's a gap that people aren't talking about, and you're just ignoring. It's on. It's a 20. What is this? What's the top of this candle? 2017. So at 2017, there's a gap that needs to be filled. So it could, right, just like continue to fall this way, fill that gap, base around here, and then recover. So if you take your fib, calculate support, bring it to the high here. 2083, whatever, somewhere like this. You have your support lines here. You have your golden pocket. So you got one bounce here. You have your second bounce here. Third bounce here. And if you come back down, that's going to be your fourth bounce, and that's going to be an interesting buying opportunity. Not financial advice, by the way. YOLO puts. Yeah. Good luck. I mean, and according to Unusual Whales, expected moves to be plus or minus 12%. So 12.5%. That would bring you down. Wow, right to that gap fill. Wow, who would have thought, you guys? Right to that gap fill. So in the after hours, if we dump, right, and we open up the next day around here, filling this gap, right, then you would have left another gap over here that you would need to eventually fill. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely interesting. The cat posting memes about, like, here, let's just pull them up. Let's pull them up. Right, like this meme, like, you were a billionaire. Like, he's just like poking fun at himself. He's laughing. Like, he didn't come back just to peace out over here at 60. So we'll see. We shall see. All right, almost 10 minutes away from market close. Okay, let's see what the alerts are saying. So nothing yet. No orders above 100K. Flow alerts. Yeah. Where'd dark pool go? Dark pool. This was just a minute ago. 8,000 block came in. Premiums. Ha. Bears in total control. Yeah, if he wanted out, the guy could literally be in Mexico or like in the Bahamas or some shit. But he just chose to. He's in. He's in. Wow, Wolf looking not too bad. I mean, It's above the 0.5. You can go up here and test the golden pocket again. So yeah, right now in a 90 minutes, some bearish. Fell below metric pro a little bit. And might test metric pro plus here. But we'll see. Where are the bulls? Bears are laughing. Okay, let's check the full alerts again. Interesting. Dark pool. Nothing yet. Did I take any trades today? No. Just watching. Today is just all about GameStop for me. Wake up in the morning and just all Jimmy. But Wolf is looking kind of tasty here. I just don't like doing like Bitcoin stuff because Bitcoin falls, you know, after hours. You're just gonna drag the others with you. Yeah, SPY puts. Yeah, SPY puts. I mean, this morning, SPY got above metric pro, right? And so if you took a trade here, if you took a call here, that would be about almost 1%. And in the morning, when it fell below here, and you took, you know, position there, that would have been a sizable move down. That would have been really nice. 546 to 543. Yeah. Nice. Missed on so much more. Yeah. I mean, nice. Yeah. Well, I mean, not nice. I mean, if you entered here, that's probably not nice. But, anyways, let's go over here. Oh my God, bulls, where are you? They're sleeping. Oh shit, no, this is the wrong page. I was looking at the wrong one. Sizable volume. 30K. Dark pool. Oh my God, 18,420. Wow. That's crazy. So that's like the second highest that we've seen. Oh no, it's like the third. Yeah, that's like the third highest we've seen so far since 9 o'clock. Wow. Well, if you're just tuning in, we're talking about how GameStop does have a gap. 2018, 2017, somewhere in that area, somewhere in this area right here, you can see there's a hole. So if it does continue to fall, that's where I'd look to, you know, to look to enter again. If you take your support, right? So that's your fib low to your fib high. And you'll see that you get one bounce here, right? And then another bounce here. And then another bounce right here. So if you're going to come back down for the fourth time, this may not be a bad time to, you know, take another entry, but not financial advice, obviously. We're also looking at a fib time zone. So that's your low here to your high here. And on Monday, we hit one. I don't know. It's kind of like hocus pocus kind of stuff, but that's something that you believe in. And then we were talking about this is the last quarter earnings. Net sales were down, so that's something that we're looking at. If you're looking at, where is it right here? So software, hardware, and accessories were down. Software down, and collectibles down. So shit, guys, you guys gotta go out there and fucking buy those Funko Pops. Software. I mean, look, what kind of games are there right now, right? Like, I mean, there's that Astro Boy or something game that just came out. So, wait, is it Astrobot? Yeah, Astrobot. Sorry, let's see. Yeah, Astrobot. So that's sizable. Seems like a good game. If you've played it, let me know. And then you're looking at hardware and accessories. So, like, you know, selling consoles and stuff like that. Like, it's just, what is there, right? Like, you gotta wait for the news cycles to come in, right? So in November, there's gonna be the new PS5 Pro. I'm sure there'll be people that will scoop that up. And the PS6, I mean, who knows when that will come out, right? All right, so let's go back to the chart, 1 minute time frame here. Let's just remove these fibs so we don't get confused. So it did get back above metric pro, so this is slightly bullish. Bears left. All right. Interesting. And any 100K orders? No, not yet. Nothing yet. Dark pool trades. 2 5K blocks. All right, just a couple more minutes, everyone, and we're gonna get into earnings. So yeah, implied move is around 12.5%. So if you were to take our chart, right, and let's go back to the 90-minute. Go down 12.5 takes you somewhere around closer, at least close to that gap fill. And if you are to break to the upside, you're gonna go to around 25, 26. All right, 1 minute, everyone. 1 minute. And it's over. All right, so let's turn on extended hours. Let's just see what the reaction is. Let's see if we can cheat the system right here. Discloses first. Can we get this second? Nope. I tried, guys. I tried. Let's see. Keep the chart. Still no action yet. I would expect some action in maybe the next 10 minutes or something. Still no action. Yeah, close the day with this and double check any last minute stuff. No. Last minute dark pool. All right, guys. If we're ready for earnings, put some rockets or something in the chat. Let's hear it. Let's see it. No. I'm just gonna try to refresh this. See if it works. Worked last time. Oh shit. Some action. No. So overhyping it, you guys. Oh shit, it's going to. Oh! That would be screaming, right? No, it's. Oh, what the fuck? There it is. There it is, you guys. Now, let's see. Where is the... No. Come on. Don't do this to me. I want to get in. I want to see the earnings. Oh, all right. Crazy. Thanks, Steven. Steven pulling through. Hang on, let me see if I can pull... You guys, if you guys can link it to me, that would be great. Oh, right here. Here it is. Oh, net sales were down. Not a surprise. Not a surprise at all. Let's see. Just gotta post this on. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so net sales were 0.798 billion for the second quarter, compared to 1.16 billion in the prior year's second quarter. Guys, not a surprise. Look, what are people buying, right? Like, anyways, okay, SG&A. $270 million. So they did get it down. So again, we were talking about this, and we said that they were going to bring it down, and they did. Net income was 14.8 mil for the second quarter, compared to a net loss. Holy shit. Net income, guys, is positive. Cash and cash equivalents, 4.2 billion. Let's fucking go, baby. Holy shit. This is pretty good, guys. This is pretty good. NI, 14.8 mil, positive, compared to a net loss of 2.8 mil for the prior year's second quarter. All right, let's go down. Let's go see. So, cost of sale. Oh, yeah. Okay. SG&A, that's the one that they're hammering down. They got down by another 50 mil. That's really good. Or sorry, that's gross profit. Jesus, I can't read. 270 mil. It's right here. 270 mil. So, it's right there. So, still 50. Yeah, positive. 14.8 compared to 2.8. And just think about it, guys. Like if Ryan Cohen, right, was taking a salary, this would be a little bit lower, right? But okay, so this looks good. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna need that console cycle to ramp up. Get Rockstar Games, get your shit together so we can get GTA 6, so we can jack these numbers up. Okay, so it's interesting. Cash and cash equivalents. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. In July of last year, it was 894.7. mil. And today we have 4.1 billion dollars. That is insane. That's incredible. So, guys, what are we thinking? Tell me in the comments. What are we thinking? All right. Let's continue reading this. I mean, that's not bad. That's not bad. So property and equipment. So that's like, you know, their computers, chairs, literal office stuff. So long-term debt, they brought it down by another 10 mil. That's really good, guys. Basically, with 4.1 billion dollars in the war chest, that's nothing. All right, statement of cash flows. All right, this is gonna be interesting. All right. So accounts payable and accrued liabilities, they got that down. So that's not bad. Like, look at this. Last year, 245.1, and now it's 55.9. That's not bad. That's not bad, you guys. So sale of property equipment. So that's probably them just like closing some shitty stores or something, and they got like 9.8 mil. All right. Yeah. Proceeds from the ATM. Yeah. Well, obviously. Then so that's just the initial run up with the kitty, and then after it dropped and ran back again, this is what they took from that second one. Now, is Games? Do you guys know if GameStop earnings is? It's usually on the GameStop YouTube channel, right? Like, I'm not crazy. Just um. Wow, $4.217 billion compared to last year, where we were at only 915 million. That's incredible. All right, here's what we were looking at earlier, just before, you know, we entered extended hours. So 451 compared to 597, 207. Again, these two, right, are tied into like, are there good games, right? Like last time there was like Legend of Zelda and all that stuff. But you know, what games are there, right? Collectibles. All right, guess no one's buying anymore. No one's buying Funko Pops. Like, all this for RC to tweet about the debate tonight. Yo, true. True. I might be watching it, but it's that's hilarious. And then all the tinfoil hat guys are gonna come out and they're gonna say, "What does this mean? This has to be connected to GameStop or something." But yeah, guys, this is pretty good. Like, did it update over here? Let's refresh. I don't think it did on TradingView. Right? Estimate was 0.08. I think they came in at 0.05. Revenue, it was down, but it's not that bad. Right now, it's just flat, like nothing. So everyone got crushed. Nice. I mean, there is some. I mean, that's not bad. Not bad at all. So 22. Yeah. All right, let's see what they're saying on Twitter, on X. Second quarter is profitable again. That's true. That's true. NI, guys. NI is for 14.8. 14.8 mil. It's pretty incredible. Oh, Larry tweeted. What did he say? Where is he at? He said GME. Yeah. Oh, yeah. GME for sure. Yeah, the Bears got beat on this one. Not bad at all. Yeah. Really not that much action, you guys. Guys, what do you think? Maybe DFV comes out with a tweet, or he comes out with a YOLO post. Oh, I misread that. Zero, like, doubt it. Yeah, I mean, one can hope. Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, he's chilling. Look at that, guys. Positive free cash flow. You see the shit? 65.5. Holy fuck. We like the stock. We just keep holding and filling the bags. Yeah, totally, totally. I mean, you gotta take advantage of some moves, you know? Like, is there a guidance call? Um, there should be a conference call for sure. I just don't know. I don't know what time it is. I should know what time it is. I just don't. I'm trying to find a link. But in terms of giving guidance, I don't think they're gonna say or outrightly say, "Hey, this is what we're gonna do." All right, no call today. Okay, there we go. Thanks, Matthew. Ideally, right? Ideally, if you have $4 billion in cash, right, and you have a plan, and you say, "Hey, this is what we're gonna do," you are telegraphing to the competition, right? You are telegraphing to the competition, but you get rated better in the market because you have a quote unquote plan, like a roadmap, you know? Yeah. Well, not much action, so it's just like, flat. Okay, let me refresh this again because this should have updated. Maybe it didn't. Yeah, rockets. Let's get some rockets in the chat, you guys. This is positive. This is positive development. Like if you feel bummed out about this, you're insane. Like, look at this. Net sales were $798 million for the second quarter. That's not a lot of money, right? Compared to last year where it was 1.16. But you gotta look. They reduced SG&A, right? So it's 270 compared to 322. Net income NI positive 14.8 compared to a net loss of 2.8 mil. Cash and cash equivalents, right? $4 billion. There are companies out there, they have to they take a long time. Like, let's look at Tinder. Look at Tinder or Bumble. Bumble valuation. How much is look? Halved in 2022, but whatever. Like, you know, forgot the lady who she was like dating this guy and they ended up falling through on Tinder, so she dropped it and she made this company. And it took her a little bit to make this money. GME made this money in like fucking like a few months. Like, so you're looking at this and you see that they have $4.2 billion in cash. As a bear, I would be scared because you have to think the bear thesis was that GME would go bankrupt. It would pull a Big Lots, right? So, but they didn't. Oh, it's right here. Thank you, Matthew. From guys, I'm not reading today. Look, not be holding a conference call today. I'm just too excited because this is exciting. Like, when was the last time we saw that they had a positive NI for the quarter, right? Like, I don't remember. All right, would I sell if it hits 150, or would you just keep holding it? You know, it's really up to you, right? Like, everyone's financials are different, but like let's take a look here for a second, right? Let's pull the daily. Okay, so if you started here, right, and you bought the literal bottom, and you kind of just held all the way through, right? That's a 1000% gain. Well, let's say you got in here and you went up, right? That's a 500% gain, right? So if you pull up the calculator, all right, you have 10,000, right? Times 500%. All right, that's 50K. That's someone's, yearly salary. Like, it's really up to you. Like, it's just how much you value it. Like, if you're making, like, 10 let's say $15 an hour, right? That's your one day, 120 bucks, right? So 50K divided by 120. So, that's 416 days of you working. I'm just gonna put it that way, but it's really up to you. But if you actually think, let's go back. I'll pull the weekly, okay? This is our high here at 120. Okay, I'll just draw like a vertical line. All right. And the cat came back somewhere around here, right? He didn't just come back to leave at fucking 65. It's like, peace out, guys. I'm out of here. And that's it. No, this guy's wanting to go back. He's wanting to go back to all-time highs. All-time highs. And not just a little bit. Look, you're saying 150 from all-time highs, right? 150. That's 24% off of all-time highs. Like, pull a fib target. Let me just delete this. Okay, pull a fib target from the top here to the low here. And you got 330, around 333. Whoops. Something like that. $333. Right? So for a lot of people, obviously that's life-changing money, right? And if you do the bull flag that everyone was talking about, and kind of just, I don't know, just do something like this. Doesn't really matter. Copy this, right? Add this to the bottom. And I mean, you hit 1800 as your first profit target off of that bull flag. Not saying it's going to go there, not financial advice, but like. So it's definitely interesting. Developments are interesting. No problem. No problem. Right now, what we're looking at, right? So if you take this fib target, right? And you do another fib target here, right? So the high, then the low of 1770. This is gonna be a rough copy, all right? So it looks something like this. If tomorrow, or moving forward, right, GME tries to go up, you're looking at trying to break 30, right? You do have to still break above 24, make a base. Okay, and then hit 30, right? You want, and then you want to make this as support. But where resistance truly lies, again, is over here, 30, and between 38 to 41. So in this huge box right here. So GameStop trying to break through that is going to be pretty difficult. But we'll see. We'll see. And then afterwards, if you draw your vertical line here, or sorry, horizontal line here at 64, and then during hold on, right here at 86, right? So these are targets again that you have to break, and then all-time highs. So if you're looking over here, there is a gap right here at 72. Oh shoot, no. Right here, or 73. So scroll your line here, it still hasn't been filled. So it's still an open filled, or there's still an open gap that needs to be filled at 73. Right? So you draw your target, brave enough to hodl, and you believe in gap fills, then that's a 212% move to the upside. Oh shit, yeah, here. Oh shit, here it is. Well, this is reported 0.1. Surprise by 0.095. Is that right? 111% increase. I mean, it is somewhere around there, but that's crazy. Revenue was accurate. But let's look at this again. Maybe I just misread it. I didn't eat yet, guys, so I'm like kind of hungry. Really? That was 0.4 though. Oh, I think this is where they're pulling it from. 0.1. I mean, guys, that's still really fucking good. Look. So it was 0.17, 0.09, 0.03. Oh my god. Wait, so did I just misread this? Should be 0.4, no? Where are my accountant friends at? Guys, I took accounting, but it's just like, got a good grade in the class, but I don't know. Can we feed this to GPT and just see what it says? Well, let's download that. All right, let's go to no, okay. I'll do it another time. But main thing is that EPS was beat. Yeah, 10Q just came in. Yeah, I saw. Regardless, EPS beat. That's really good. Revenue, again, slumping revenue. That's kind of concerning, but it's still trending better than it was. I mean, like if you compare quarter to, right, like that's a beat. That's pretty good. Maybe GameStop's gearing out for a massive earnings beat. I don't know. Who knows? That's kind of crazy though. Yeah, 10Q just came in. Yeah. Well, it's positive, guys. It's looking really good. Well, SPY with the drop there, and that's okay. All right. Just keep tracking this. So. Okay. Anyways, guys, so far so good. Yeah, it's like right here. Anyways, they might. I don't know why they use the other number. Fit. Ugh. Counting's too hard, guys. But free cash flow, guys, 65.5. That's incredible. All right. Well, we'll call it now. And thanks for tuning in. We'll hopefully do this tomorrow.